Time to harvest before. Check out my affiliate links posted in the description below for products that I use and love. Clicking on the links when you're making a purchase will allow you to support my channel with no extra cost to you. Thank you again for your support. The critters get it. Whatever isn't ripe will ripen on the counter. Here we go. And we have one right here. This is our white peach tree. My daughter snatched the peaches up off of this one already. I'll take a picture and add it to the video. We had 2 off of this tree. My 2 peaches came from fast growing trees, so I got them. I have to check my videos, maybe in March of this year, and they gave me fruit the first year. And we have a surprise harvest of this cucumber. It's going crazy. Still flowering. Connecting itself to my citrus. That's fine. Do we have any more? This one is close. Oh, this one is close too. Yeah, I think that one's ready too. All right. And I should still have at least a couple of the cherry tomatoes. Happy Wednesday. This is our harvest for today. Finally got our peaches.